Ever wondered how top YouTubers create those eye-catching thumbnails that get millions of clicks? What if I told you that you could transform any thumbnail with your face in just one click, and even turn it into a high-quality lip-sync video? Today, I'm revealing the secret weapon that's about to change your content creation game forever, and you won't believe how easy this is. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you something absolutely game-changing. We're diving deep into Higgsfield Face Swap, a revolutionary AI feature that just launched, and it's honestly mind-blowing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create viral YouTube thumbnails with your face, convert any image into cinematic quality videos, and even add professional lip-sync animations, all without any editing experience required. So, make sure you watch till the very end because I'm going to show you some hidden features that most creators don't even know exist. Let's get started. First, let me explain what makes Higgsfield Face Swap so revolutionary. Unlike traditional face swap tools that give you those weird, obviously fake results, Higgsfield uses advanced generative identity embedding technology. What does that mean for you? It means every output maintains perfect identity accuracy, lighting coherence, and texture realism. The system automatically handles facial geometry alignment, lighting, and shadow matching, and creates photorealistic consistency without you having to do any manual editing. Think about this. What once required hours of advanced Photoshop work and professional retouching is now handled in literally one click. No prompts, no masking, no complicated settings. Just upload and generate. This is the future of content creation, and it's available to you right now. But here's where it gets even better. Higgsfield Face Swap isn't just about swapping faces. You can animate images, create lip-sync videos, generate multiple variations, and even replace objects in your thumbnails. I'm going to show you everything step by step. All right, let's jump into the practical part. I'm going to walk you through the exact process I use to create viral thumbnails. Step 1. Accessing Higgsfield. First, head over to the Higgsfield website. I'll drop the link in the description below. When you land on the homepage, you'll see a clean, intuitive interface showcasing trending videos and various AI features. You'll need to sign up and log in. The process takes less than a minute, and once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard with all the powerful tools available. Step 2. Navigate to Face Swap. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the Face Swap feature by Higgsfield. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a simple interface with 2 upload options. Here's the key. You need 2 photos. Your original photo goes in the first slot. This should be a clear, well-lit photo where your face is visible from the front. Make sure the lighting is decent because this will affect the quality of the final result. Then, upload your target photo in the second slot. For this demonstration, I'm using a popular MrBeast thumbnail because I want to show you how you can literally place yourself into any viral thumbnail style. Step 3. Generate your face swap. Once both images are uploaded, simply click the Face Swap button. Now here's where the magic happens. Within just a few seconds, typically between 5 to 15 seconds, your high-quality thumbnail will be ready with your face perfectly swapped in. The results are honestly incredible. The lighting matches perfectly, the skin tones blend naturally, and you can't even tell it's been edited. This is exactly the kind of professional quality thumbnail that can dramatically increase your click-through rate. Step 4. Download and use. You can instantly download this thumbnail and use it for your YouTube videos. But wait, before you do that, let me show you the advanced features that will take this to the next level. Now, here's where Higgsfield truly separates itself from every other tool out there. Feature 1. Image to video with lip sync. If you want to turn your thumbnail into a high-quality lip sync video, click on the Speak button. A new interface will open up where you can either record your voice directly or upload a pre-recorded voiceover. The system offers multiple AI models to choose from, and each one delivers incredibly realistic lip movements that sync perfectly with your audio. This is perfect for creating video intros, promotional content, or even short-form content for Instagram, Reels, and TikTok. Feature 2. Animation and video generation. Want to convert your static thumbnail into a full animated video? Click the Animation button. You'll see an interface where you can type a text prompt describing how you want your image to move or what action you want to happen. Select your aspect ratio based on where you'll use the video. 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts and TikTok, or 1 by 1 for Instagram feed posts. Choose your video duration. Select your preferred video generator model and hit Generate. Within 2 to 3 minutes, your high-quality animated video will be ready. I've tested this multiple times, and the results consistently look cinematic and professional. Feature 3. Object and background replacement. Here's a feature most people overlook. You can add or replace products and objects within your thumbnail using the Replace function. Click on the Add Product button. Upload an image of whatever object you want to add. Let's say a product you're reviewing, and describe where you want it placed in your thumbnail. The AI will generate 4 to 5 variations, showing your product naturally integrated into the scene. This is incredibly powerful for product reviewers, affiliate marketers, or anyone creating commercial content. Feature 4. Upscaling and enhancement. If you want even higher quality, use the upscale feature to enhance resolution and detail. This ensures your thumbnails look crisp and professional, even on large screens and 4K displays. Let me tell you why this matters for your channel growth. Your thumbnail is literally the first thing potential viewers see. Research shows that high-quality, emotionally engaging thumbnails with clear faces can increase your click-through rate by up to 300%. A higher click-through rate signals to YouTube's algorithm that your content is valuable and engaging, which means more impressions, more recommendations, and ultimately, more views and subscribers. By using Higgsfield Face Swap, you're not just creating better thumbnails, you're strategically optimizing your content for maximum visibility and growth. And the best part? You're doing it in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Plus, Higgsfield offers multiple advanced features beyond just Face Swap. You can generate videos directly from text using their integration with Sora 2. Access Veo 3.1 for enhanced video generation, and use their popcorn feature for creating consistent character-based video content. No VPN required, and everything works seamlessly in one platform. Alright, that's everything you need to know to create viral YouTube thumbnails and convert them into high-quality videos using Higgsfield Face Swap. The link to Higgsfield is in the description below. Go check it out right now and start creating content that stands out.